We have just checked into Disney's All-Star Movies Resort, and we are in a preferred room in the first Fantasia building. So this is a standard double queen. This has a table, and then there's a Murphy bed that pulls down out of the wall. Looks exactly like this one. We come over here. There's a door for privacy. If you're sharing a room with friends and family, you can shut it off to the sink vanity area. And then there's another pocket door here for privacy in the bathroom. Take a look in the shower. Of course, we have the amenities we always have. Plenty of space in here. Lots of storage at All-Star and Pop Century resorts. The rooms are a tad smaller than the deluxe and the moderate resort rooms, but there's a lot of storage, lots of places to put your things. If you come over here, we have even more storage. We have a safe, extra pillows, 3 drawers. Over here we have the cooler, of course your coffee and your ice bucket station. And then here's a peek at the room with the Murphy bed pulled down. So you can see there's a little table between the 2 beds, and then we have some uplighting around the around the headboards. And then we do actually have a Hey Disney, which is really cool. And if you're not familiar, these little gadgets are popping up in all Disney resort rooms. They are still working on getting them resort wide, I believe, but they're in most rooms now, and you can use these to ask questions about the parks. This little pamphlet will tell you all about your Hey Disney. You can have it set alarms, you can ask it questions, you can have it tell you a bedtime story. It's a really cool feature that Disney has integrated into their rooms. And then this is really cool also. We don't usually share the TV screen, but I'm going to show you guys. All of these things are on here, which is so cool. Now they have the Connect My Device, which was not available at all resorts, but now it's available at most of them, which is awesome, which means you can connect to your phone and watch anything you want on TV. I love the photography of the resorts. Of course, you have your weather, and then you can get all kinds of park information on here as well.